Welcome back to the channel. I'm Investor Josh, and each and every single day I upload new content to YouTube with what I consider are some of the best cryptocurrencies and stocks to invest in today's market. The market has been absolutely exploding the last 2 days. I've been doing longs on XRP and TRX, two coins I don't usually have much to do with, but they have been on a nice steady trajectory, going up very nicely. No massive crazy movements, but just beautiful charts, and putting longs on them. I did a couple of 20x's, 228, one worked out, one didn't. Did some nice 10x's on 5x's and 7x's. They're just working beautifully right now, the 5 and 7x's. That's where my money's at. That's what I'm liking to do right now with the TRX. Even if you don't want to put a long on it, even if you don't want to put leverage on these, just go in plain if you want to. This is not financial advice. It's for entertainment purposes only. Just go in with your normal 1x, your normal one. Just put your money in and boom, boom, boom. You should watch it go up slowly and gradually, but daily. It's pretty much going up every single day. The charts look beautiful. We're going to have a look at them in a second. Another easy thing is, if you don't want to get into the futures aspect, if you don't want to get into the longs aspect, well, not too deep into it anyway. On Binance, for example, you can choose on particular coins, on TRX, on XRP, on Bitcoin, on Litecoin, a lot of the bigger coins. You can pick to do shorts, or not shorts, long, sorry. You can do up to a 3x long. So it'll be, as an example, it will say BTC up to 3x, or BCT down, if you think it's going to go down, up to 3x. So whatever percentage it moves, it can move up to 3 times that amount, basically. So you can be making more money there potentially. So that's an easier way. If you think a coin is looking excellent, if you think it's going to continue its nice slow climb up there, if you think it's going in the right direction, and you got to do your research though. Don't just listen to me, do your research, and you want to use a little bit of leverage without going into the whole futures aspect. Just do the little quiz or the thing that they got on Binance over there. You have to take a little survey, do the quiz, and if you pass it, and then the answers you get wrong, it bloody gives you the answers anyway. Once you go through that, you can do a up or a down 3x either way. So a little extra way, a little tip there on how you can make some extra money is something I've been doing, and I've gone into the futures doing the longer longs as well. But we've been making some excellent money on just normal 1x's on some of these coins, which we're going to go through with you in a second in the charts. But sincerely, this market is out of control. The bull pump, some say it's here, some say it's just starting. If this is just starting, I won't have to work by the end of this year. I'll never have to work again. Everyone will be driving Lambos. Sincerely, I mean, some of these people out there, some of the money people have been making, and I've been doing pretty well for myself as well, to be honest, making this channel for the past over a month now, doing daily uploads on this channel of coins I think are going to pump. Some stocks that are moving up as well, and in so many, I feel like in part I've just gotten lucky, but I do a lot of research on these particular coins, the background of the coins, everything to do with it. Look at the charts, look at the team behind the coins, look at the partnerships coming up, looking at the news and events coming up. I do a lot of research around each and every coin. So even though I feel like a lot, it's not luck in the sense that these coins I picked are going to do well, in my opinion, but luck in the sense of the percentage that they've just been moving up is astronomical, and not something I would have contemplated happening this soon into the year. I thought we'd see movements like this further, maybe midway into the year, but not right now. These movements are out of control, which blows my mind as to what are the possibilities moving into the year. Anyway, we're going to go look at some charts now. We're going to have look at some basic line charts, see what some of our positions, how they've been moving, and those coins that I normally don't mess with, XRP and TRX, the longs I've been playing on them, see where they've been moving, the hourly and daily performance, so you can get a better idea of things. Let's have a look at it. Okay, the first one we're going to have a look at here is TRX, or otherwise known as TRON. We'll just refresh the page, make sure it's all new, fresh data. Up 19.2% for the day, 19.9 against the BTC. Scrolling down, I'm going to say I'm feeling good about TRON right now. We are up 2.6% for the hour. So 24% for the 19% for the 24-hour period, and so on. You can see 112% for the 7-day period. Now, I was talking about longs before. You can see that's up 2.6. So if you were to do that, as I was suggesting, not financial advice, entertainment purposes only, that up to a 3x long on Binance, you could get up to 3 times that hourly percentage. So obviously you're boosting your gains there. On the flip side of it, if it goes down, you could potentially lose up to 3 times that percentage that it goes down. So keep that in mind, okay? Make sure you pass that quiz and survey. TRX, feeling good about it for the short term, potentially medium term. We'll see how it plays out. In particular, we'll see. I know the team behind it. I know what's going on with TRX, but with TRX and XRP, I'm more focused on the charts. That's what I'm focusing on, and I'm playing it day by day, week to week. I think it's going to go a good bit higher, a very nice bit higher. XRP, similar kind of story, up 16.6%, 17.3 against the BTC. Scrolling down, up 2 for the hour. We got 16% for the 24-hour period. So if you're doing an up to 3x on the 1 hour chart, you have 6% for the hour. So simple math, man. Look, line chart looks good. We're going up. This is the 24-hour chart. You can see the 7-day chart. Same thing. I'll go back to TRON very quickly, show you the 7-day chart. It's an easy grab right now, in my opinion. Okay, it's going up, in my opinion. Do your own research. BitTorrent, BTT, took a good percentage of my profits from BTT today because I made a lot on it. And I moved it around a bit, rebalanced my portfolio. I put a good chunk of it into TRON, which we just went through. So BTT is up 67.4% for the day, and this thing could keep on pumping if it wants to. I got no idea. I don't think it's going to have a big pullback, but I feel like the pump could potentially start to not shut down, but dwindle down in comparison to what it's been doing. Like, it's been out of control. You can see, look, 30 days are up 900%, So 14 days, 245%, 7 days, 239, 24 hours, 67%, 1 hour, 4.4. It could keep going. I got no idea. This is out of control. It's gone quicker and faster than I thought it would. This is what I'm talking about, the luck aspect. I know these coins. I'm up to date with the team behind it, all that kind of stuff, the charts. But they've just pumped much quicker than I thought they would. Much quicker. So we're having a good time over here with BTT. Moving on to Dent. Also having a good time. I'm pretty sure we're having a good time. We're up 15.2% with Dent. I got a long on this account with 7x on it. We are down for the hour, but that's okay because up 15.2 for the 24-hour period. Obviously, you can 7x that percentage right there, and you can do the math for that one. 7-day chart looking good. Nice, gradually we're going up with Dent. No problem there. I'm still in on Dent, loving Dent. Some of those BTT profits that I split with TRON, I also jumped into SC today. SC. Check it out. I think I tweeted about it. I'm pretty sure I tweeted about it. If you don't follow me on Twitter. Up 4.6 for the hour. 27 for the day. 41 for the 7-day. See, this hasn't... Look, 14 days, so the last 2 weeks, up 43%. I say only. That's how privileged we are to be in this crypto world. This crypto world, 43% in this bull market seems somewhat limited in comparison to many other altcoins out there. But nevertheless, 43% for this 14-day period. And then you're looking at almost that for the 7-day period with a 27.6% pump on the 24-hour chart. It is beautiful. It's a beautiful thing. I'm liking what it's doing. Something for you to consider. Something for you to check out if you want to. You can do your own research. That one there is SC. So that right there are my plays for today. If you've invested in the similar things to what I've been investing in, the things I've been talking about that I'm personally investing in over the last few weeks and last month, then your bags, much like my bags, will be absolutely pumping and exploding today. Things have gotten out of control. We are loving it. I'm hoping this is just the tip of the iceberg, a fraction of what we're about to taste. If you have made big profits in particular coins and you want to hold them, that's cool. Maybe think about taking some of those profits. It might be a good time to think about taking some of those profits and moving in off to other coins that you think are going to pump. Maybe some of the other ones I've suggested, or some people are throwing it into BTC for safekeeping. If you've made an astronomical amount of money, you could hold it into BTC. Is probably the least volatile, the one the world knows about. Many people don't know about these other altcoins that are exploding. If everyone knew about these altcoins that are exploding, what we know about, then no one would be working. It's out of control right now. So I'm very happy. Obviously, I just need more. I'm just trying to build. Things are pumping very nicely. I need more capital, so I'm building this up, and we're gonna see how far we can go here. I hope you're all driving the car of your choice by the end of this year, and you're all living in the own home of your choice by the end of this year. If we can build this capital, I know many of you are starting off out on the ground floor. Many of you have $100, $200 in it. You put it into Bitcoin. If you put $200 in Bitcoin, at the end of the year, you might have $400. That's not what we're looking for, is it? Like, it was great to double your money and all, but we wanna look for these altcoins, the alternative coins. We wanna look for these small cap coins, these coins that are gonna explode with percentage to make us the bigger gains. That's what we're here for. That's what I'm bringing you. I think I'm bringing you. We've had some massive success on this channel. If you haven't already, please scroll down and hit that subscribe button. If you like free money, I've got some links down below. eToro, if you deposit, depending on where you live, between $100 and $200 you get between $50 and $100 depending on where you live. All that information is linked down below. If you live here in Australia and you want stake, you want to trade stocks on stakes. Stake's an excellent platform. I use Stake. Links down below to get my referral code. You get one free stock. It'll be either a random one, Nike, GoPro, or Dropbox. And then the other link I've got down below, COINSPOT, for trading here in Australia. If you want to jump on COINSPOT, I've got a link down below. You get $10 worth of BTC and I get $10 worth of BTC. Thank you so much for your support. You've been great. Hit that subscribe button, share the video, leave a comment down below, hit the bell, scroll along, hit all for notifications. Give us a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Leave me a comment. Tell me if you like me or disagree with me or whatever you think. I don't care. Be interactive. Thank you so much. I'll see you again tomorrow. Every single day I'm bringing you this content, and hopefully every single day I'm making you and your family's life a bit better off. I'm getting a lot of nice messages sent to me on Twitter, in my DMs, people thanking me, and I thank you for watching. It's been a tremendous journey, and I hope we have a lot more fun going forward. Thanks again.